Welcome to User and I, the channel where I explore all things UX and UI design. And today I'm going to be critiquing my own designs from a side project I'm currently working on. I'm currently in user testing for this side project, and what I want to do is compare the screens I had before and after user testing and just walk through why I made those changes and why I think those changes are better. The side project I'm working on is called Fridge Reminders. It basically allows users to log meals that are in their fridge and set reminders for those meals. So once they get a notification, they can prevent the food in their fridge from expiring, which allows them to save money, but also allows them to create better meals. So here's what I had before user testing. I of course had the logo here. I had two input boxes, and as you can see, they're both all center aligned. And the helper text down here is also center aligned. And I also had a primary and a secondary call to action that allowed users to navigate to the sign-in screen in case they already had an account, or it allowed people to create an account and sign up. Now, what I discovered during user testing is that users didn't really know whether they were on the sign-in page or the sign-up page. Another thing that didn't go down too well, users weren't fond of the center alignment of this screen. So what I then did is changed it to this. So we still have the logo down here, but we have a very clear title about what this page is about. I've also now center aligned both the email and the password and the helper text down here. And I've also changed the style of the call to actions. So as you can see before, we had them side by side. And even though they are primary and secondary buttons, as you can see, they share a hierarchy because they're on the same line. So what I've done down here is that I've made it really clear. The call to action now matches the color of part of the logo up here. So you immediately jump from icon straight down to call to action. And I've also made the login button just a text label. You can immediately see why screen number 2 works better than screen number 1. It's just clearer, it looks cleaner. This title really drives home the call to action of the page. Although I did try and bring in the other color palette for the brand here, I can do that within the app. I don't have to do that on this screen. And I also like the fact that this login button is now clearly a secondary button on this page. Now I'm still in the user testing phase of this application, and this is where you can help me out and join in the fun. If you go to fridgereminders.com and then you click here and go to join user testing, scroll down and you fill out this form, what I can then do is that I can invite you to the application and you can start testing with me, and then we can make this app as best as we possibly can moving forward. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next episode.